Good day, sir. So for today, I will discuss the assignment number 3, G-score. So first is, question number 1 is a tracking company determined that the distance traveled per trucks per year is normally distributed with a mean of 50,000 kilometers and a standard deviation of 8,000 kilometers. So letter E is what proportion of trucks can be expected to travel between 34 and 50,000 in a year. So first is we need to calculate the Z-score for 30,000 kilometer is Z-score is 34 minus 50 divided by 8 equals 2. So the Z-score for 50,000 kilometers is G equals 50 minus 50 divided by 8 equals 0. So the area under the curve between G equals negative 2 and G equals 0 is 0.3413. So letter B is what percentage of trucks can be expected to travel, either below 30 or above 60,000 kilometers in a year. So the G-score for 30,000 kilometers is G equals 30 minus 50 divided by 8 equals 2.5. So the G-score for 60,000 kilometers is G equals 60 minus 50 equals, and divided by 8 equals 1.2. So the area under the curve above G equals 1.25 is 0.1056. So the 0.1056 equals 0.118 or 11.18%. So letter C is how many kilometers will be traveled by at least 80% of the track. So we can use the formula G equals X minus M over Q to find X. So plugging in the values, we get 0.84 equals X minus 50 divided by 80. So solving for X, we get X equals 50 plus 0.84 times 8 divided 56 minus 72. So, mao ni siya ang answer. So, therefore, at least 80% of the trucks will travel 56.72 thousand kilometers or 56,720 kilometers. So, number 2 is determine the area under the standard normal curve. So, letter A is between Z equals negative 2.10 and Z equals 0 is using the standard normal distribution table or a calculator. We can find the area under the curve between Z equals negative 2.10 and Z equals 0 is 0.4821. So, letter B is between G equals 0.60 and G equals 1.80. So, using a standard normal distribution table or a calculator, we can find the area under the curve between G equals 0.60 and G equals, letter B is between Z equals 0.60 and G equals 1.80. Using a standard normal distribution table or a calculator, we can find the area under the curve between Z equals 0.60 and G equals 1.80. So the under the curve between Z equals 0.60 and Z equals 1.80 is 0.1949. And